a sporty vehicle with an elegant design. An aerodynamic setup ideal for cutting through air, but also able to convey all the scent of La Dolce Vita straight to Suzuki's heart. In the past decade, we've not only decided to go to Mars, but also to pursue other challenges. Not because they're easier, but because they're bold, allowing us to demonstrate our skills at their best. For example, to merge the adrenaline rush on 2 wheels with the driving experience on 4, and vice versa. What were we thinking when we began designing? To find a starting point, to raise our performance levels, to trace a line, then a road, then a creative path that leads us from Positano and then on somehow to reach the Romagna Riviera. To be honest, sometimes we just thought about sitting comfortably. Very comfortably. Are you wondering if this is yet another project about Italian food? That's not the case here. Don't grumble. To design means to take care of every tiny detail so that in the end, they fit perfectly. It's not easy to summarize the concept of La Dolce Vita, but it is possible. La Dolce Vita isn't just an attitude, it's a matter of alchemy. A drop of color in a sea of technology. A cool gust of wind during the hottest summer. A shining surface to reflect on. La Dolce Vita is a light switching on a new passion. To develop the concept of the project at its best, it was essential to blend all of the various perspectives. When Kai Ryo philosophy lends itself to the ephemeral pleasure of driving, functionality communicates with beauty. Kai means change. Ryo means better. Continuous improvement stimulated during the design process while also meeting the client's expectations. Exactly what happens to your mood when planning a trip around Italy. A compact vehicle that's driven with a control stick, like Gregory Peck in Vacanze Romane, but set in the future. 2 seats in tandem, so you're always aligned with your partner. A side trunk to carry the mocassini you just bought from Via Monte Napoleone. What would be the ideal name for such a vehicle? Perhaps a name that sounds Japanese, but also linked with Italian motorsport culture. Misano.